Are you looking to get clients on Instagram? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how you can do that. These are high converting strategies that I have used in my own business. So let's not, fool around. Let's get exactly right into it. So tip number one, and at the very end, I'm going to tell you the one thing you can do, which is a huge lead generator. Okay, this will get you customers. I have 3 other tips, and the 4th tip I'm going to tell you is going to be like life-changing for your Instagram if you execute all of these together. So make sure you listen to all 4. So number 1 is the 80-20 rule. Okay, so the 80-20 rule, maybe you've heard it before, like the Pareto effect or something like that, but basically on Instagram, 80-20, 20% of your content, it's okay to be a sales pitch. 80% should be value-based. Okay, so maybe you're a hairstylist, okay? 80% should not be, please come hire me. 80%, and what I see a lot of them do actually is just post pictures of work they've done. Okay, if you want to really blow it up, what you should do is you should post something really valuable, which is tips, tricks, methods, how to style it this way. Here's how to do this, here's how to do that. And you can do that in any business, okay? Real estate, mortgage, hairdressers, landscapers, you can talk about different plants. Think about in your business, okay, education or entertainment. Write this down, get a notepad. Education or entertainment needs to be at least 8 out of 10 posts, okay, on your Instagram page. You really need to provide that value, and while you're doing that, at the same time as you're providing that value, you'll actually be establishing authority. You know what you're talking about. You are the expert in your field. So this is 2 birds with 1 stone. Not only are you providing value, which is a way for people to like your post, comment, engage, and most importantly, follow you, but you're also establishing authority and showing that you actually know what you're talking about. Okay, you are becoming the, like the subject matter expert on Instagram, okay? Okay, so another tip is you need to be extremely consistent, okay? So if you're posting to your story, do a couple every day to your story, 5 days a week, 7 days a week, doesn't matter. Just do it consistently on your story. It should be 5 days a week because you can just take casual pictures doing this, doing that. And another way to establish authority, maybe you're in the landscaping game, you can post pictures of the work you've done to your story, like in action with the crew, whatever the case is. Just showing that you're busy working. If you're a hairstylist, you can maybe do some different behind the scene things throughout the day, stuff like that. Real estate agent has tons of opportunity for behind the scenes stuff. There's always interesting stuff in the day-to-day of a real estate agent in different homes. So just be consistent. And then with your feed, like I said, following that 80-20 rule, be very consistent. So maybe, okay, so then with your feed, same idea applies. Make sure you're providing value and be very, very consistent. And what you want to do is you want to be really, engaging. So there's really 3 things you can do when creating a caption and a picture in your feed. So number 1, challenge assumptions. Number 2, give a unique perspective. And number 3, tell a story. If you can do all 3 in one, you're gonna have a hero post. You're gonna have a post that gets likes, shares, and comments. I've never in my life, with those 3 particular things combined, any piece of content on YouTube, Instagram, anytime I've done any of those 3 together, the piece of content has gone viral. And I did not even realize that you could have a viral post on Instagram until I did such a thing. So if you do all 3, which is really hard to nail it exactly right, but just do it, believe in me, and most importantly, believe in yourself when you do this. Take action. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a game changer. And now, another fantastic way is in your bio. So think of the post as something that people are gonna see in their explore feed on Instagram. So this is the page where it shows content from people they're not following, just kind of new content they might be interested in. If you do those 3 things, you're more likely to show up on the explore page, okay? Now when you're on the explore page and they click on your profile, you have a great story in the caption. It's really interesting. They're gonna go to your page and check out to see some of the more content you have. Once they're there, this would be like a landing page. So you want to have something interesting in your bio. So your bio is the little short thing at the top of your page, and you want to have, first of all, exactly what you do. So identify what business you're in, what you do, how you can help people. A great statement you can actually put in there, one quick sentence. If you're a business and you're wondering what to put in your bio, this is the holy grail. Okay, so it is, I help, insert dream customer. So I help, what's your ideal client? Okay. I help so-and-so achieve so-and-so. What's their goal? What's the end goal? What do they really want? Okay. Through, what's your method? How do you do it? What's the trick? So it gets a little complicated with that, but I help dream customer achieve result through insert strategy, method, whatever, or service, whatever the case your offering is. And then below that, you could have a call to action with the emoji arrows to the link in your bio. Okay, so you want to have the link in your bio to a special offer, a landing page, and have it there. So maybe it could be save 15% on your first service, or maybe you're a real estate agent, download a buyer's guide, or maybe you can even create a whole online course, how to buy homes, a full online course, which is massive value, and click download my guide, sign up now. And then within that link, you want to have that link to a landing page where they can put in their email address, and then you send them whatever the offer is, the coupon, the discount code, the guide, whatever the case is. So that right there is the trick. That thing right there, I'm telling you, is the trick. Okay, now if you want to learn more about growing your business on Instagram, okay, so click the video right here, which is where I tell you about the best free Linktree alternative. If you tried using Linktree, I'm telling you this one is free, and this software has built-in email marketing, so you can send people these links and offers and discounts that I'm talking about all in one spot. Way better than Linktree in my opinion, because it's totally integrated. It's a fantastic tool. And click over here if you'd like to subscribe and see more videos about marketing your business.